out to many nations with medicine, equipment, and vaccines. I'm grateful to the global fraternity that came forward with a helping hand. Due to these efforts, the nation breathes a sigh of relief with the return of a semblance of normalcy. If we have learned our lessons well, we know that this is the time of extra care and caution. We shall not let our guards down. Vaccines are the best possible protection science offers to us. Under the world's biggest vaccination campaign going on in our country, more than 50 crore fellow citizens have been vaccinated so far. I urge all eligible citizens who are yet to get vaccinated to do so at the earliest and also inspire others. The economic impact of the pandemic is as disastrous as its health impact. The government has been concerned about the lower middle classes and the poor, as well as about the small and medium industries. It has been sensitive to the needs of the laborers and of employers who have been facing hardships due to the lockdowns and movement restrictions. Sensitive to their needs, the government had taken a series of relief measures last year. These efforts are consistent with the vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. With abiding faith in the inherent capacity of the economy, the government has further opened up defense, health, civil aviation, power, and other sectors. The government's new initiatives to promote eco-friendly, renewable sources of energy, particularly solar power, have won praise around the world. If there is an improvement in the ease of doing business, it has a positive impact on the ease of living for all. In addition to these, special emphasis is being given to public welfare. For example, the dream of having a home of one's own is being realized thanks to the 70,000 crore rupees credit-linked subsidy scheme. The series of agricultural marketing reforms will empower our Annadata farmers and help them get a better price for their produce. These are some of the measures the government has taken to unleash the potential of every Indian. With all-round progress, India's stature is rising in the international arena, as it was reflected in our participation in several key multilateral forums, as well as in consolidating bilateral relationships with several countries. Dear fellow citizens, when India won independence 75 years ago, many skeptics thought of democracy were nurtured in this soil in ancient times. And even in modern times, India was ahead of many Western nations in offering franchise to all adults, regardless of any distinctions. The founding fathers had reposed their faith in the wisdom of the people, and we, the people of India, have made India a strong democracy. The government has planned many initiatives to make this special year memorable. When it comes to the flights of our ambitions, we don't let any limitations define us. Yet, we keep our feet on the ground. We acknowledge that we still have a long way to go in realizing the dreams of those who won the freedom for us. Our Constitution neatly summarizes those dreams in 4 words: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. We must strive for more equality in an unequal world, more justice in unjust circumstances. Justice has come to encompass a larger range of connotations, including economic and environmental justice. The road ahead is not easy. We will have to negotiate many twists and turns, but we have the benefit of incomparable guidance. It comes to us from diverse sources, from the venerable seers of millennia ago down to the sages and leaders of more recent times. In the spirit of unity in diversity, we as a nation are following the right course. The spirit of patriotism and sacrifice was paramount among our freedom fighters. They faced all kinds of challenges without caring for their own interests. I have seen that in the face of the corona crisis, lakhs of people have taken enormous risks to protect others with the spirit of selfless service for humanity. I convey my profound appreciation for all such COVID warriors. Many of them succumbed to COVID-19. I pay homage to them. I extend my greetings especially to the members of the armed forces who have guarded our freedom valiantly and gladly making the supreme sacrifice when necessary. I also extend my greetings to the members of the Indian diaspora who have represented the motherland well wherever they have made home. मैं एक बार फिर आप सभी को भारत के 75वीं स्वतंत्रता दिवस की पूर्व संध्या पर बधाई देता हूँ। यह वर्षगांठ मनाते हुए मेरा हृदय सहज सी आज़ादी के शताब्दी वर्ष 2047 के सशक्त, समृद्ध और शांतिपूर्ण भारत की परिकल्पना से भरा हुआ है। मैं ये मंगल कामना करता हूँ कि हमारे सभी देशवासी कोविड महामारी के प्रकोप से मुक्त हों तथा सुख और समृद्धि के मार्ग पर आगे बढ़ें। एक बार पुनः आप सभी को मेरी शुभकामनाएं। Dear fellow citizens, I once again congratulate all of you. While celebrating this anniversary, I cannot stop my mind from imagining a powerful, prosperous and peaceful India of 2047 when we will celebrate 100 years of our independence. I wish that all our people come out of the difficulties caused by the COVID pandemic and move ahead on the path of happiness and prosperity. Once again, my best wishes to all of you. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. We have a very special video on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. I'll request our team to please switch it on, which we will be playing on the screen in front.
भारत के पास तो गर्व करने के लिए अथाह भंडार है, समृद्ध इतिहास है, चेतनामय सांस्कृतिक विरासत है। इसलिए आजादी के 75 साल का यह अवसर एक अमृत की तरह वर्तमान पीढ़ी को प्राप्त होगा कि आजादी के 75 साल का अवसर कितना ऐतिहासिक है, कितना गौरवशाली है। इस पर्व में शाश्वत भारत की परंपरा भी है, स्वाधीनता संग्राम की परछाई भी है और आजाद भारत के गौरवान्वित करने वाली प्रगति भी है। आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव यानी आजादी की ऊर्जा का अमृत। आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव यानी स्वाधीनता सेनानियों से प्रेरणाओं का अमृत। आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव यानी नए विचारों का अमृत, नए संकल्पों का अमृत। आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव यानी आत्मनिर्भरता का अमृत। और इसलिए ये महोत्सव राष्ट्र के जागरण का महोत्सव है। ये महोत्सव स्वराज्य के सपने को पूरा करने का महोत्सव है। ये महोत्सव वैश्विक शांति का विकास का महोत्सव है। फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल आइडियाज एट 75, achievements at 75, actions at 75, or resolve at 75.
Indeed, let us celebrate together the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The High Commission of India in Singapore has made efforts to bring out a special supplement called India at 75. I would now request High Commissioner Sir to kindly unveil the supplement. The supplement will be shortly available in the flipbook version on the website, and there will be a few hard copies also available eventually. Can we have a round of applause, please? This special supplement showcases the historical linkages between India and Singapore, the people-to-people connects, the diversity of India, the achievements of India in the spheres of science and technology, pharma, trade, economics, and a very special feature on the trending hashtag of New Jammu Kashmir. May I please request all of you to give us your feedback after you have browsed through this supplement. The Indian diaspora and friends of India in Singapore have showered us with their blessings and support through their messages. We thank everyone for so enthusiastically joining us and sending in their messages. Throughout the day today, please watch our Facebook page for all your messages that you have sent in. We'll be playing a few of your messages right now. Thank you once again for sending in your good wishes. Can we have the messages, please?
Hello everyone. I am Atul Kamanikar, Chairman of the Global Schools Foundation in Singapore. On behalf of all the international schools under our foundation, I extend my heartfelt best wishes to India on its 75th Independence Day. Since independence in 1947, India has grown from strength to strength. It took giant strides towards progress, which have turned into leaps of success under the able leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. I sincerely wish that our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, or the celebration of a glorious journey of freedom and self-determination, will be more bright and more stupendous in the coming years. Happy Independence Day to all our fellow Indians. Jai Hind.
नमस्कार, सिंगापुर से मैं संध्या सिंह भारतीय स्वतंत्रता दिवस की अशेष शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित कर रही हूं। स्वतंत्रता को सिर्फ पाना ही नहीं बल्कि जिया जाना हमारा लक्ष्य रहा। तभी इंडिया एट 75 मनाने का सौभाग्य हमें मिला। हम भारतीय चाहे भारत में रहे या फिर विदेश में, 75 वर्षों की यह यात्रा हमारी उद्यमशीलता और संस्कृति को संजोने का प्रतिबिंब है और हम आजाद भारत के इस ऐतिहासिक कालखंड के साक्षी बन आजादी के अमृत महोत्सव में अपनी भागीदारी कर रहे हैं। स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के महान नायक सुभाष चंद्र बोस द्वारा आजाद हिंद फौज के गौरवशाली इतिहास का प्रमुख अध्याय सिंगापुर की धरती पर ही लिखा गया था। कई सपने देखे गए। यह उस स्वराज्य और आज सुराज्य के सपने को पूरा करने का महोत्सव है। यह अमृत कलश हमारी पीढ़ी को प्राप्त हुआ है। इसे संजोकर आगे बढ़ाने का संकल्प लेना ही हमारा उत्तरदायित्व है। एक बार फिर स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद।
Many congratulations to India on her 75th Independence Day. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is Gautam Banerjee sending you warm greetings on Independence Day from Singapore. Thank you very much.
KB Rao from the Tata Group, Singapore, and I wish you a very happy Independence Day, a special India at 75, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Amrit means sweet nectar, which is indeed the spirit of India that pervades the globe today through its diaspora. On 15th August 1947, the great sage and seer Sri Aurobindo shared his 5 dreams for India: for a free and united India, for the resurgence of Asia, a harmonious world union, India's spiritual leadership, and individual perfection leading to transformation. Light is shining upon India today to show its spiritual strength and resilience, and possibly the ideal time for individual reflection to build a better India and indeed a better world. Wish you happy 75th Independence Day.
Namaste. This is Koti Reddy from Singapore. I am the president of Singapore Telugu Samajam. Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, which means elixir of the energy of freedom, to commemorate the 75th Independence Day of India. On this occasion, I would like to wish all my fellow compatriots all around the world a happy 75th Independence Day. We, Singapore Telugu Samajam members, take a great pride in organizing and celebrating India's great festivals with lots of enthusiasm. We put our sincere efforts to glorify and promote our great Indian culture and history globally. With COVID-19, it has become harder to celebrate with great pomp, but we are doing our level best to make it as patriotic and lively as possible. From India's independence, we have had 75 fruitful years of excellence, accomplishments, and ingenuity, which makes me and all of us proud to be an Indian. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to all the freedom fighters, warriors, and great leaders who made our freedom possible. Jai Hind. Namaste. Thank you.
Greetings from Singapore. My name is Manish Tripathi, and I'm the Vice Chairman of Singapore Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries. We from Singapore extend our best wishes and greetings to all for the celebrations of 75th year of independence for India. We are also privileged to be a part of this great event, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Bharat Vishwa Guru Banega. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Namaste. I am Manohar Kyatani from Capital Land in Singapore. I want to wish all my Indian friends and all Bharatvasiyo a very happy Independence Day. 75 years of independence. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. 15th August is a special day for all Indians, and I'm fortunate that it just so happens to coincide with my birthday. May India continue to prosper, and may this special relationship between India and Singapore continue to flourish. Jai Hind.
Hello, Namaskar. I'm Shagata Chakraborty, the President of Bengali Association, Singapore. 15th of August is an auspicious day for all Indians. People all over India and Indians abroad are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in different ways to mark 75 years of India's independence, its progress, achievements, and the glorious history. In remembrance of Gandhiji's Dandi March, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi flagged off the Padayatra, the Freedom March from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad, and inaugurated the curtain raiser activities of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, celebrating India at 75. May these initiatives help India develop and attain greater heights. Wish India to be a more prosperous and a successful nation for generations to come. On behalf of Bengali Association Singapore, I extend our warm regards to all Indians all over the globe. Thank you.
आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव पर, as we all proudly celebrate India at 75, I want to wish all my countrymen a very, very happy Independence Day. My name is Puneet Pushkarna. I'm the Chairman Emeritus of Thai Singapore. Jai Hind!
नमस्कार। इंडियन विमेन एसोसिएशन सिंगापुर की ओर से आप सबको भारत के स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। Today we complete 74 years as an independent nation. To commemorate the spirit of freedom and march on towards the 75th year of being a progressive country, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has launched the Amrit Mahotsav. Let us wholeheartedly participate in the events and celebrations to mark this occasion. Let us take this moment to renew our pledge to place India first in all our decisions and actions. We pay homage and gratitude to our freedom fighters who sacrificed their youth to make us a proud nation. आइए हम सब अप्रवासी भारतीय अपने महान देश की गौरवपूर्ण परंपरा, मैत्री और शांति का संदेश को विश्व भर में वितरित करें। सिंगापुर के भारतीय समुदाय को देश की आज़ादी दिवस पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद।
My name is Dinky Masailo. I'm delighted to be part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav commemorating 75 years of Indian independence. I wish to briefly talk about the story that was often told to me by my grandfather, the late Padma Shri Brigadier T. Sailu, Ati Vashisht Sena medalist and former Chief Minister of Mizoram. It is about the Lalmu or Rani Ropiliani who fought the British. Born in 1828, Ropiliani was the daughter of a great Mizo chief, Lal Savua, and was very proud of her Mizo tradition. She married Vandula, another prominent chief whom she eventually succeeded. Till the late 19th century, some Mizo chiefs never accepted British authority. Rani Ropiliani was one of them. Enraged by her resistance, the British sent several campaigns to subjugate the free spirit of the Rani. In 1893, they raided her village at dawn, where they captured the unarmed Rani and her sons. She was sent to a prison in Rangamati in the Chittagong Hill Tracts, modern-day Bangladesh, where she eventually died, yet leaving behind an inspiring legacy of our freedom struggle. There are other Viranganas of the Mizo and Lushai Hills. Unfortunately, there are no records of them, nor in the textbooks. Yet join me as I remember them along with the nation in gratitude. Mizoram Malsoni Umrenose. Jai Hind. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jai Hind. Bharat Bhagya Vidata. Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha. Dravida Utkal Banga. Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga. Uchchal Jhal Chitaranga. Tab Sukh Naam Jage. तब आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Namaskar. I am Venkat, President of Kannada Sangha Singapore. On the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, I would like to wish Indians all around the world a happy Independence Day. It's a privilege and pride to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our motherland. So I would like to take this opportunity to not only celebrate our freedom, but also commemorate the ones who fought for it, had a vision for our country, and sacrificed themselves for the same.
Happy Independence Day.
इनिये सुतंत्र दिन नलवंतकल्वा
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
यौम आज़ादी मुबारक.
स्वातंत्र्य दिन आशंसक.
Namaskar. India at 75, Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. Independence Day holds special significance in all our hearts. The pandemic may restrict our physical movement, but it will not stop us in remembering and celebrating the occasion. I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. I am Alok Panda, President of Odia Society of Singapore, wishing you all again on this Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, as well as good health and safety. Take care. Namaskar.
With that, we come to the end of the messages. We move on to some performances by the school students, the international school students in Singapore. We have one more message to go. Sorry.
Hi, I'm Rohit Sipahimalani, Chief Investment Strategist of Temasek, based in Singapore. India at 75. In the 75th year of Indian independence, economies around the world have been ravaged by COVID. But what's really stood out for me in the last 12 to 18 months is the entrepreneurial spirit in India and the resilience of the startup ecosystem, which has not just survived, but gone from strength to strength. It is this promise of the Indian youth and the strong entrepreneurial spirit that makes me really excited about the future of India as we go from India at 75 to India at 100. Here's wishing everyone in India and Indian communities around the world a very happy Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Happy Independence Day.
With that, we come to the end of our lineup of programs. All these videos by the sweet, adorable, talented kids will be up on Facebook today in the next couple of hours. Please enjoy the full performances there. I'll take this opportunity to thank Singapore for their immensely enthusiastic participation in the Rashtragan campaign. You have done phenomenally well. Thank you so much for joining us on that platform and singing our Rashtragan. Hopefully we will soon be able to meet you all in person, but till then, let's stay connected virtually and let's celebrate this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. There are a number of events lined up by the High Commission of India till the end of the year and hoping in-person events starting 2022. Our website will soon be featuring a new tab on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav where you will be able to find all the information regarding all the events that we will be doing about Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Please join us there. Please participate along with us, and your appreciation is what keeps us going. Thank you. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day once again.